Are you like this when buying a water softener? Are you pulling your hair out because you're like, I want to be more healthy. I want to protect the appliances in my home. I'm looking for a water softener. Maybe you had someone come out to your house and you just got more confused. Well, you want a water softener to protect your skin, your hair, and the appliances in your home. You want it to make you more healthy and save you more money. Whether you're dealing with dry, itchy skin, maybe you have white film on the shower, maybe it's on the faucet, the shower faucet, maybe it's on the handles, maybe you've been looking at your dishwashers lately, whoops. Maybe it's on glassware, maybe you opened up your dishwasher and you looked at that black rubber gasket and you're like, oh my God, what's going on here? Maybe you had something break on you, right? Maybe it was a water heater that went bad. We have that all the time. I get it. So now you've been told by a plumber or a friend or a family member that you need a water softener. And you Googled it. And you're like, oh my God, there's this, what do I do? Product A, product B, product C, it's all out there. They all say that they're manufactured, they're all good to go. They're all right for you. And you're like, I'm not so sure. Well, I don't blame you. There's a lot of confusion out there. And there's a lot of lies and deception. I like to relate it to, I don't know, the 1970s used car market, right? They had to create what's called a lemon law on the federal government level because so many car dealers would piece stuff together, maybe duct tape a bumper to the car, and someone would drive off and boom, it fell apart. And so they had to create that law to protect the consumer. There's not anything like that out there now. Not for water softeners. But there is this video where I'm going to try to dive in with 26 years or so of experience and be able to explain to you the basics of what you need in order to get a good quality water softener. The wrong system, though, can leave you still with hard water, can cost you a ton of money, create a whole bunch of headaches because you have to get a plumber to install it, right? It's not super easy to do. It's like a furnace. You got to literally install it in the home. And so if you get the wrong system, it could cost you way more money in the long run, and you could be left with the same problems that you have today. Now, if you're ready to go on this journey about buying a water softener with me, and I know it's like I've got full of energy about this, right? I get excited and people sort of laugh at me, but the reality is I get two things out of this. I get to help people save money, and I get to help people be more healthy. And that makes me jump out of bed every morning. It makes me run to work. It makes me want to do these videos just so that I could share it with you. And again, for a lot of you who've responded or commented and said thank you, I appreciate you watching the videos. By the way, if you like the video, please press like, share it with people. If you have 3 people that you love and care for that could benefit from whole home filter systems, saving money, and maybe making their family more healthy, please share this video with them. Hopefully they'll like it. Now, when it comes to it, I like to break it up into 3 categories. Now, I'm going to show you 3 categories. There's big box, there's sticker products, and then there's professional grade. And at Angel Water, we've been blessed. We're very fortunate, knock on wood, that we have a lot of clients. We sell a lot of equipment, so we have the ability to get our hands on almost any piece of equipment out there. We service every make and model, and we certainly, for some companies, are their installation arm. For other companies, we just service it. And we're going to break it up into the 3 categories. And you need to think to yourself like, what is best for me, right? If you're in a condo, and we're going to start there. If you're in a condo and you live alone in that condo, and you're going to flip the house, and it's like a down and dirty house, having high quality water treatment is not going to increase the value, then you might want to go to a big box product. That's something that you can find in a big box store, right? There's Lowe's, there's Home Depot. These guys come with a 1-year warranty. That's it, a 1-year warranty. And by the way, the filter material inside, 0. Now on the box, it says 10-year warranty. That's on the plastic or the fiberglass. That doesn't mean anything. They don't break anyhow, but they give you a 10-year warranty. So you're like, wow, 10-year warranty, that's going to take care of me. No. Read the fine print. The electronics in some of these have a 3-year warranty, but the filter material has nothing, zero, right? Why is that? The water's running through it and it doesn't have a warranty. Well, again, we found that they still work when we have one person in the home, but what compounds the problem is when you have multiple people in the home. These things have reduced the water pressure in the home. Now, for a single person in a condo, it doesn't really matter. But if you're somebody who has more than that, you have 3 or 4 people in a condo, well, then it's probably not going to be the right product for you because it is going to reduce the water pressure in the home. So these are usually, I don't know, by the time you get them installed, it's $2,000, right? They're $800, $900 in the store, maybe more. Add tax, you're at $1,100. Add installation, you're well over $2,000 to have a professional, a licensed plumber plumb it in. And most of the time, they don't know what they're doing. Oh my God, I can't tell you how many times we get calls from customers who are like, hey, can you walk my plumber through how to install this unit? And it's like, oh, what are you doing? I mean, it's like there's a drain line. It's got to be connected to the sewer line. They need an air gap for it. So there is some technical status to it. Also, it requires programming. We need to know how much rock, dissolved minerals are in the water to program that. So you can do it yourself. In fact, we even offer a water test where we can test it for you and give you the results, and then you can take that to the store and a plumber and have them install it for you. That's a really good option. Or you can say to yourself, I don't know if I really want to go through that headache, and step up to a next product. Now again, big box, the problems were low water pressure, designed really for one person in the house, and no warranty on the filter material, and the electronics has a 1-year or 3-year depending on the manufacturer. Now when we go to sticker companies, that's basically a company that will take a water softener, a tank, filter material as you can see in here, carbon maybe, a control valve from one manufacturer, and they assemble it, they put it all together, and then they sell it to a guy in his garage, chuck in the truck. Or maybe it's a smaller company and they're buying that product and then they put their label on it, just like ours, right there, Angel Water, right? We call it the Angel, whatever, A3000. It can be not a bad product if it was made in America. And you have to check out who assembled it. Most companies don't build it themselves. Most companies are buying that from another company, a distributor called an OEM, original equipment manufacturer. Now, in our industry, really they should be called OEAs, original equipment assembler, because they're just assembling resin from usually China, a tank usually from China, and then a control valve that's probably now made in China, or maybe it might be made in America. I'm not sure. But you have to do your homework on that, right? You got to hope or got to pray, cross your fingers, that it's going to last longer. By the way, these 3 manufacturers, there is no filter material warranty in most cases. Read the fine print. The tank, it comes with usually a 5 or a 10-year warranty. Again, if it's made in China and it explodes, good luck on getting them to pay for the flood in your basement. Doesn't happen. How do I know? It happened to us. Like, we've had this case before. So when I got burned and my clients got burned, our insurance had to take over. And that's when I learned these lessons. I learned the lesson is I had no idea that the assemblers or these OEMs that I was buying these products and I was sticking my sticker on was actually made in China. And then we got stuck with that bill because it flooded somebody's house. So today, we're very clear. If you want one, I can do one for you. But is that what you really want? Is it really what you want? Do you want something that's made in China that if it floods the house, you're liable? Because we ask our clients to sign a waiver. If I'm going to install something for you, you need to sign a waiver that we're not liable for it, because it's not what we recommend. We're not going to recommend a product that has been assembled and made in China. And then you also have to recognize that the filter material, it might last you a year, it might last you 2 years. Oh, or it could break down and get into every faucet in the house. We had that happen, especially if your city has chloramine. That's chlorine and ammonia, and they're sanitizing the water with it. That chloramine breaks down this polymer, this resin, so fast, and then it gets through the distributor and into the whole home. And we had client after about 3 years installed in the home where we had to go back and we had to take these things out and put new filter material in, and we had to make sure that we used American-made NSF 44 certified resin so that we got rid of that problem. So, buyer beware. If you're going to buy from Chuck in the Truck or a OEM or a company that has their name on it, then you have to make sure that you're going to ask a lot of questions. Show me your warranty. Show me where you bought it from. Show me the warranty from the manufacturer on the valve. Show me the warranty on the filter material if there is any. Show me the warranty. What happens if are you licensed and bonded and insured? You got to get that from the retailer, right? The guy who's selling it to you. You got to make sure that they got you well covered so that you are not getting taken to the cleaners. Now, you can then move up from that. By the way, you're moving from, I don't know, usually about $3,000, $4,000 to over $4,000 in professional grade. And there's only 4 professional grade companies out there. There's Culligan, Rainsoft, Kinetico, and EcoWater. Now, if you've seen some of my other videos, I highly love like EcoWater. Like they make a very good product. They are NSF 44 certified, which means National Sanitation Foundation tested the water, put rocks in it, barium in it, and radium-228 in it, and then tested it after it left. And they were able to see that, hey, actually it takes it out after thousands and thousands of gallons. The problem that I saw with the other major manufacturers is they didn't have that certification. So now you're just leaning on the fact that they've been around for a long time and they stand behind it. Now you got to do your homework there too. You got to ask the company that is actually selling it to you. They're usually a franchisee. So you got to make sure, how long have they been in business? What happens if they go out of business? Who's backing up the product? Is it made in America? Is it NSF 44 certified? Again, that certification just simply says that a not-for-profit tested it to make sure that it's going to continue to work very well and is certified to take out the calcium, the magnesium, the radium-228, the radium-226, and the barium out of the water. Really important stuff, and that's why out of selling many of these products here, what we found is that this one lasted the longest. This one had the fewest problems, costing you less money. The fewer times you got to have me out, the more money you get to keep in your pocket, right? Pretty simple process. So with EcoWater, great, great, great product. There's a couple more out there. Certainly if you need more help, you can reach out to us. We are always here to help you learn more about it. So now, in summary, what we've talked about, there's 3 different categories. Big box, if you're single, living alone in a condo, might work out for you. If you're a small family and price is a big concern, maybe a sticker company. Sometimes I have a lot of clients who reach out to me and they tell me, oh my God, there's no Culligan in my area, there's no EcoWater in my area, what do I do? There's Chuck in the Truck or some other name. I'm like, take this information, which I just shared with you, and get the details. What's the warranty? Who backs the warranty? Are they insured? Are they bonded? Are they obeying the laws in your state in regards to the Department of Public Health? Those are some key factors that you got to get down, because basically anybody can just roll up the garage door, put an ad out on the internet, and they make them look great. Like we have one company in Florida, I mean, they have a great website, and then on the bottom of their website is their address. And it's so crazy. Their address is the same as another company's address. Exactly the same. So they have 2 different companies working out of the same warehouse, and it's basically, you're like, who's who here? Are you company A or are you company B? So you take that address, enter it in Google, and you can take a look. Say, are they a sizable company? Do they have a large factory, or is it someone's garage? Or what's worse is so many companies don't even put their address down there. So then you're like, are they really worth their salt? I mean, at Angel Water, you have a huge facility here. You can come in, you can take a look at all the different products on the market, and you can make the choice that's right for you. Certainly, we want to be able to address any budget concerns for you, but the way that we do that is we identify the money that you're spending anyways versus, and qualify that, hey, a higher quality product might be more beneficial for you. So you can take a look at those sticker companies in case you need to use one of them. You have some backbone on that or background on that. And then there's a professional grade. And out of the professional grade, we've highlighted one of our favorites is Eco Water, just because it's made in America, NSF 44 certification, and it has been around for over 100 years. That's another great thing. Owned by Warren Buffett. Oh my God, it's what's great about them is they stand behind the product that they are selling to you through me, and it's worked out extremely well. So if you have any questions, reach out to us at angelwater.com. You can call me, 847-382-7800. We're passionate about helping you. Again, our passion is revolved around two things: helping you save money and making your family more healthy. If you need help with that, please reach out to us. As you know, my name is Drew. I'm here to serve you.